are going to continue our topic about coordinate geometry. Yeah, mathematics series, coordinate geometry part 3. Okay, students, directly go to question 1. The question is below. The gradient of a line AB is -2, where A is the point 1, -8, and B is point on the x-axis. The question is, find the coordinate of B. Find the length of AB. If C is another point on the x-axis such that AC equal AD, find the coordinate of C. And the last question is, find the gradient of AC. Now we talk about gradient. Our topic is about gradient. How to understand the gradient. Students, gradient or slope or stiffness is defined as M. The symbol is M. M is delta Y over delta X. Once again, gradient or slope or stiffness is defined M equals delta Y over delta X. We can extend this formula equal Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Okay? The consistency of the mentioning of the formula is needed once. If the first is Y2, the second is Y1. So for X, the first must be X2 and the last must be X1. Okay, we need the consistency. Next. Okay, this is the diagram. And then we are going to plot the data coordinate of A 1, -8. Period. Okay. Right? This is the coordinate 1, -8. This one. One, -8. This one, right? Is it correct? The coordinate of A 1, -8 means 1 for X and -8 for Y. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, now we go to the question. The gradient of a line is -2. So we can write the gradient M is -2. Where A is the point, A is point 1, -8. Okay, and B, okay everyone, B is the point on the x-axis. So means B lies on the x-axis. Okay, okay students. The first we are going to find the line equation. Okay, the line equation. Okay, the line equation is defined as y minus y1 equal m open the bracket x minus x1. Okay, once again, y minus y1 equal m, open the bracket, x minus x1. This is the formula of the line equation. Okay, now we're going to find the line equation. M already we know that m is minus 2. So point A1 comma minus A, okay, means x1 is 1 and y1 is minus 8. Once again. For the coordinate A, 1 comma minus A means x1 is 1 and y1 is minus 8. So both x and y will be inserted to the formula here. Okay, included m. Yeah, m is minus 2. Right? Now we can continue by inserting to the formula y minus minus 8 equal minus 2, open the bracket, as x minus 1. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
So, and then here it will be positive, y plus 8 equal, we can expand here, minus 2x, right, and positive 2, right? So the line equation is y equal minus 2x plus 2 minus 8, right? So we have a line equation minus 2x minus 6. You got this one. This is the line equation. Is it clear to you? Our line equation is one, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So we got the line equation is y equal minus 2x minus 6. Is it clear to you? Okay, now we are going to find the coordinate of B. Okay, coordinate of B. Coordinate of B. Okay, the information B on the x-axis. On the x-axis. What's the meaning? B lies on the x-axis. What's the meaning? The meaning of that B lies on the x-axis means y equals 0. Right? For example, this is for example. Let's say this one. Let's say this one. Okay? So we can mention this one is 2, 0, right? What about this one? 5, 0, right? Is it clear to you? So, let's say this one here again. I'm going to give you an example again. So, what about this one here? You can say this one is minus 10, 0, right? Is it? So, what about here? Here, this one. You can say that minus 5, 0, right? Right? Okay? So, what about here? Okay, here. Let's say this one is here on 9. So we can say 9, 0, right? That's the conclusion that point lies on the x-axis. So when point lies on the x-axis means y equals 0. Clear to you? Remember? Okay? Now we have a equation is y equal minus 2x minus 6. And then we have information that y is 0, right? Y is 0. We just insert y equals 0. 0 equal minus 2x minus 6, right? And then minus 2x will go to the left side. 2x equal minus 6. So x equal minus 3. So the coordinate of B is minus 3, comma 0. Is it clear to you? Everyone?
Clear, sir.
Okay, now we're going to plot B, coordinate of B. Okay, the coordinate B is minus 3, comma 0. So here, right? We call this one B minus 3, comma 0. Right, everyone? Is it clear to you? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to draw a line, a straight line that connects point AB. So the connecting line of AB, connecting line of AB is this one. Right? This is the connecting line of AB. Is it clear to you, everyone? Is it clear to you?
Clear, sir.
Okay, next. Find the length of AB. Whoa, length. Now we go back to definition of length. What's the definition of length of AB? The formula. Length of AB. The formula of length AB. What's the formula? Okay, length of AB. Length of AB or segment, right? Segment AB or distance, right? So length of AB, equal root of x2 minus x1 squared, right? Plus y2 minus y1 squared. Is it correct? Okay, where is A? A is here, right? This one is A. Is it? So where is B? This one is B, right? Number one. Is it clear to you? Okay, next. So for coordinate B, we said this one is x2 and this one is y2, right? Okay, now we go to the formula here. Okay, equal root of x2 minus x1. X2 minus x1 minus 4, right? Minus 4 square. And then, sorry, I want to fix the writing. Minus 4 square. What about y2 minus y1? 0 minus 8 will be 8, right? Plus 8 squared. So we got root of 80, right? Root of 80 units. So length of AB or segment or distance AB is root of 80 units. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay, question C. If C is another point on the x-axis such that AC equal AB. AC equal AB. Find the coordinate of C. Okay, I think this is very easy. Find the coordinate on x-axis that such that AC equal AB. AC equal AB means isosceles, right? Is it clear to you? Isosceles. AC equal AB means isosceles, right? Isosceles triangle, right? So when AB is let's say AB is root of 80, means root of the length of AC must be root of 80. Once again, when AB is root of 80, right? When AB root of 80 units, means you have to find the coordinate of C to form AC equal root of 80. Can you guess? Okay, this is the easiest way to find this one. So look at the point 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, right? And then left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left, right? Means by the same way, to the right must be 4 left. And 4 steps. Once again, from 8. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear to you? 4 steps left. 4 steps left. So here, 4 steps left. Four steps left from here, right? 4 steps, right? So it means to create the isosceles triangle means 4 steps right. Right? So it means here. Is it clear to you, everyone? So the coordinate of C will go to here. Is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what about coordinate of C? This is the coordinate of C, right? So the coordinate of C here, this one is C right here. This one is C, right? Here. This is the coordinate of C. Okay, what is the coordinate of C? 5, 0. Clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very easy, right? So AB and AC is isosceles, alright? Is it clear to you? Okay, good. Go to the question D. The question D is find the gradient AC. Find the gradient AC. Now the gradient. Gradient AC. Mean M equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right? So, sorry, I'm right here. M is, what's y2? Look at this one, A and C, right? Here is A and C. This one A, this one is C, right? Okay? This is everyone? So, y2, let's say this one x1, so this one is y1, this one is x2, this one is y2. Okay, y2 minus y1, 0, 0 minus 8, right? Over x2, 5 minus 1. So we got the gradient is 8 divided by 4. We got the gradient instead. Can you check that? The stiffness of the AC is 2. Correct? So what's the conclusion? The direction of AB and AC is opposite each other. Once again, the direction of AB is opposite to AC. Okay, so AB and AC are opposite each other. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, next. Next question. Exercise 2. Okay. Here we are. In the diagram, the vertices of the quadrilateral OABC are the origin O. A is 5,2, B is 5,6, and C 2,6. D is the point 3,0. Find the gradients of OA, AB, BC, and OC. Here are the diagram, right? Okay, to find the gradient is delta y over delta x. That's the formula, okay? Now we're going to find the gradient of OA. Okay, sure. Very easy. O, the origin is 0, 0, right? And then A is 5,2, right? Good. Now the gradient. So let's say this one is x1, and this one is y1, and here is x2, and here is y2, right? Okay. So now we're going to find the gradient, okay? The gradient m equal delta y over delta x. So we can define that y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, okay? So equal y2 is 2 minus y1 0 over x2 5 minus x1 0. Okay, so we got the gradient is 2 over 5. There's the other one. Okay, next, go to the next is OD. O is 0, 0, and B is 5, 6, right? Okay. So we said this one, here is x1, and here is y1, here is x2, and here is y2, right? So the gradient is delta y over delta x, right? So equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Is it right, everyone? So equal y2 here, right? This one, right? 6 minus y1 here, right? 0 over x2 here 5 x1 here, right? Okay, so 5 minus 0, right? So the gradient is 6 over 5. Okay, next. The next is, what's the next? What the gradient of the next question? What? AB.
AB, sir.
Okay, AB. So A is 5, 6, and B is 5, 6. Sorry, A is 5, 2. Sorry. A is 5, 2, and B is 5, 6. Right? So the gradient is, okay, check again. Here is x1, y1, and here is x2, y2. Sorry. So the gradient is delta y over delta x equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Next, y2 here, right? Y2 is 6 minus y1, 2 over x2 here, 5, right? Minus x1 is 5. Is it? 5. So the answer is 4 divided 0. Undefined. Okay? Undefined means straight.
So
Okay,
there's no
parallel to y-axis. Okay, undefined. Next, the last. What is the gradient? The last. OA done, OB done, AB done. The last is
OC.
OC. Okay, OC. So O is 0, 0, and then C is 2, 6. Okay. Okay, so the gradient is delta y over delta x equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, y2 here, 6 minus y1 is 0, right? 0 over x2 is 2 here. And then x1 is 0, right? Okay, so we'll find the gradient is 6 divided by 2. Done. Okay. We continue to question 3. Here. The points A minus 5, comma minus 3, B minus 2, comma K, and C 4, comma 3 lie on a straight line. Find the value of K. Okay, this question is very easy. Okay, everyone. Okay, students, when you go to find the value of something, when all lines lie on a straight line, means the gradient is equal. Okay, the gradient is equal. So A, B, and C lie on a straight line, means they have the same equal. Okay, what does it mean? The gradient of AB equal to the gradient of BC. Okay, that's the concept. Because three of these vertices lie on a straight line, means they have the same gradient. Okay, means the gradient of AB equal to the gradient of BC. Understand, everyone? Okay, next. YA minus YB over XA minus XB equal YB minus YC over XB minus XC. Is it clear to you? Everyone? Okay.
Yes,
This one is XA YA, XB YB, XC YC, right? Okay, now our job is to insert all this number to the formula. YA minus 5 minus YB K, right, over XA. Sorry, I did mistake. Sorry. YA minus 3, right? Y is minus 3. YB K over XA minus 5 XB minus 2. Clear to you? Equal.
yes, sir.
Okay. YB K YC 3 XB minus 2 XC 4. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did I mistake? No?
I don't think so, sir.
Okay, continue. Minus 3 minus K. Minus 3 minus K over. Minus 5, and this one will be positive, right? Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 3, right? Next, K minus 3 over. Minus 2 minus 4. Minus 6. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next, and then what should we do? Don't forget to put this one bracket, right? What should we do to solve this one? Cross multiply, right?
Cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication. Okay, next, go. Minus 6. Open the bracket.
Cross.
3 minus K, right? Equal minus 3 times K minus 3. Is it clear, everyone? Here. Is it? Cross multiplication, right? Clear? Next. What should we do? Cross multiplication, right? Multiplication. So,
Yeah.
cross multiplication means yeah, right. One. There, go. So minus 6 times minus 3 minus K equal minus 3, open the bracket, K minus 3. Right. Now we are going to cancel, right? Cancel here. Divided by minus 3, 1. Divided by minus 3 is 2. Right, everyone? Next. So 2 times minus 3 minus K equal K minus 3. So you can expand here. Minus 6 minus 2K, right? Equal K minus 3. Okay, and then by using the algebra here, and minus 6 go to the right side, right? So minus 2K minus K equal minus 3. And here, this one negative. It will be changed to be positive, right, everyone? So minus 3k equal 3. So k is minus 1. Here to you, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's very easy, right?
Mm,
Next. Yeah. Exercise 4. The line segment joining P minus 6, 7 and Q 5, minus 2 intersects the y-axis. Okay? Now we're going to find the line equation, right? The line equation. Okay, everyone, the line equation, what's the formula? The formula is this one, right? This is the formula of line equation. Y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. So what the first we should do? The first is find the gradient. Okay, find the gradient. This is the first step. Find the gradient. Yeah. Find the gradient connecting P and Q, right? So here is x1, y1, here x2, y2, right? The gradient of PQ equal U y q minus y p over x q minus x p. Right, everyone? yq minus yp over xq minus xp. Next, yq minus 2, right? This one minus 2, minus 2, yp 7, right? Next, xq is 5, xp minus 6. Is it correct, everyone? Is it correct?
yes, sir.
Minus 9 over 11, right? This is the gradient PQ. The gradient PQ is minus 9 over 11. Now we go to the line equation, right? Line equation. The formula is y minus y1 equal mx minus x1, right, everyone? So which one x1 and y1? C, right? Minus 6, 7. So this one is x1 and here is y1, right? Go. So y minus y1 is 7, right? Equal m. Insert here your m here, right? Minus 9 over 11, right? Is it correct? Open the bracket. X minus x1 is minus 6. Clear, everyone? So y minus 7 equal minus 9 over 11 times x plus 6. What should we do? What should we do? Okay, to simplify this equation, we have to times by 11, right? Why 11? Because this one, right?
It's the bottom.
LCM, right? The fraction. Okay. To find the fraction, you have to times by denominator, right? LCM 11. Go. So 11, open the bracket. Open the bracket. Y minus 7 equal, right? And then 11 times minus 9 over 11 x plus 6. Both sides will be times by 11, right? So next, cancel, right? So here 11y here minus 77 equal minus 9 over x plus 6. Next here 11y minus 11 equal here minus 9x, and here is minus 54. Let x and y to the left side. Okay, so positive 9x, right? Plus 11y, and minus 77 go to the right side, equal minus 54 plus 77. So 9x plus 11y equal 23. Is it clear? So this is our line equation.
Yes, sir.
Our line equation, this one, right? This is our line equation, right? This is our line equation. Clear? So go to the next question. What is the question? The question is intersect the y-axis. Intersect the y-axis. What does it mean? Huh? For example, here, this is the x-y-axis, right? One axis. Intersect the y-axis. Let's say so. Intersect the y-axis. What does it mean? The meaning is x is 0, right? Is it clear to you? X is 0, right? Intersecting the y-axis, right? Okay, x is 0, so 9x plus 11y equal 33. And then insert x equals 0. 9 times 0 plus 11y is 23. So y is 23 over 11, right? Find the coordinates of R. So the coordinates of R is 0, 23 over 11. This is R. Finish.